Hey everyone, thanks for joining today's video. Today's Airsoft video game mode was basically capture the flag or capture the zone or just hold the zone, like domination essentially. There's a center octagon in this field. You've seen me play this game mode before, but I literally just sat in there the whole time because I just wanted to hold it. This time around, we're actually going around the entire place. If you guys are familiar with this set of videos, this is the last time I went airsofting before the Rona hit, and I haven't been airsofting since, so it's been, I'm sorry, but, you know, Rona hit, they closed down, and then, you know, I had to move, so I'm not even around there anymore, and so I just can't go anymore, so, yeah, there you go, and I just hadn't had the time to edit this video and upload it for a while, so there you go.
Yeah, you didn't want to.
It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. This is the last of this series of February 2020 videos. But guys, thank you very much for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. I hope to see you guys all later on. Thanks for watching. Adios.
I'll grab it here. Just be careful of that window then. You coming where? Oh, okay. On your team! On your team! On your team! On your team! No bands! Oh, shit. That guy's hop up's way too high. here still in the middle? Hello? Hello?
Alright, in my building, they're moving left towards blue.
Call it. Call it. Call it.
He's got a little way in. He hit him before, and I just...
Is anyone in there? Trade, we'll trade. Good job, good job, good job. You got me.
You got it?
Yep, I got this.
Wait,
I'm on the other team.
is anybody else?
I can't tell you that.
You good? We can be in here.
Yeah, we can be in here. Just don't shoot them in spawn. You have to shoot them as they walk in.
There we go, man.
Nice job.
You coming with?
Yep, yep, yep.
We can't push that into the way. What's in that drawer?
Moving up. Holy fuck!